the resolution is snow versus rain. Okay. Rain is better than snow for two main reasons. One, snow can cause much worse problems than rain can, and the other is that rain is a lot better for the environment. First, snow can cause a lot worse of problems. For example, if you're driving in the middle of spring versus in the middle of winter, drivers are obviously going to hate way more driving in the snow, because the snow sticks to the ground more, and snow also comes with the cold. Cold causes ice, which is worse to drive on, and also cold is just bad in general. Cold can prohibit you from doing a lot of things. I had a friend come down from Paraguay. She liked the snow because it was something new, but she didn't like it because it was cold and could prohibit you from all these activities. Second, rain is better for the environment. It's a lot easier to collect the rain for water usage than it is to collect the snow. To collect the snow, you have to melt it first, and snow comes a lot up in the mountains because, let's say, here in Utah in the valley, there's not going to be as much snow as in the mountains, and it's a lot easier to collect in the valley than in the mountains. So in conclusion, rain is a lot better than snow because it is better for the environment and because it doesn't prohibit activities. Thank you.
1:32 is your time.
Okay, the resolution is snow or rain. I believe that snow is better for three main reasons. One is because you can do a variety of different sports in the snow. And let's be real here, what sports can you do in the rain? If anything, you have to cancel sports due to rain. You can ski, snowboard, snowshoe, sled in the snow, but you can't really do anything with rain. Two, because it makes environmental freaks feel less depressed about global warming. If there's snow, it means that it's not all hot and warm, and it makes you feel like maybe there's hope that the world isn't slowly dying, even though it still is, but you know, you can escape for a little bit. And then three, because it helps with our water in the summer. If we get tons of snow in the winter, then we'll have enough water and there won't be shortages like there is usually in the summer. So this year, we're going to have a good summer. Thank you.
Alright. Cross X.
Okay, I'm just going to sit on the
Oh, just so you guys
No,
know.
you have to
Yeah, you guys have to stand because we
okay.
cropped that. Just so you guys know, with Cross X, you can both ask questions. Don't let it be a one-sided Cross X.
I know, I hate when someone does that.
Okay.
Otherwise, it ends up like my rounds, and that person kills. Anyway, time begins now.
I have the first question.
Yeah.
So you stated that it would make you feel better if it was rain instead of snow because the environmental freaks would just feel better. But does that really fix the problem?
No, but it makes me feel better, and that was my point. Not that snow fixes the problem, that it makes me feel better.
So does avoiding the problem help anything?
Sometimes it does,
How?
because you don't have to think about it, and it makes you less sad. And when you're less sad, you have more motivation. Okay, that's not true, but still.
Do you have a question for me?
No.
Do you guys, do you guys want Cross X to be over?
No.
Okay, then continue to ask questions.
Restate your 3 points, please.
Snow sports, it makes environmental people feel less depressed, and it helps with water in the summer.
How would snow help with water in the summer if we actually get more snow in the mountains and it's harder to collect in the mountains than in the valley?
Because we're still getting more and collecting more water.
But if we got rain, don't you think it'd be a lot easier?
No.
How would it?
Because
how would
it doesn't typically rain in the winter. So if we're getting lots of snow, then that means that we'll have more water.
But if it rains in the spring, summer, and fall, and then we can get all that water instead of just water from one season.
We do get water from all 3 seasons, but I'm just saying, if there's lots of snow, there will be more water instead of just rain. You know what I'm saying?
Do you think we get more rain than we do snow?
I don't know, but I would assume we get more snow.
Why would you say that?
Because it's just
guys can
because
end
there's more
cross-X.
snow. Let's end it.
Okay, cross-X is over. And Ack will be doing their summary, and then Neg will be doing the summary.
1 minute summary.
And then
Ready, set, go.
Okay, rain is better than snow for 3 reasons. First of all, because we get more rain than we do snow. Obviously, precipitation from 3 seasons is going to be greater than precipitation from 1. Second of all, snow, and also the point that my opponent stated about how it makes us feel better doesn't make sense, because making you feel better about something isn't actually solving the problem. And the more you avoid the problem, the worse it's going to get. So for these reasons, I urge you to vote F. Thank you.
Alright, Neg.
Chloe.
Okay, so I'm just gonna re-go over my points because I forgot everything you said. 1, because you can play sports in the snow, and that's way cooler than not playing sports because of rain, and because it makes people who care about the environment have a sense of hope because it's colder and there's snow, and it also helps with having less dry summers, and yeah, okay, I'm done.
Alright, stop.